Hi everyone, so we came here in Staines Moor, which is quite close to where we're living, Staines Upon Thames, and we're walking to Staines Moor. I'm going to show you the whole field around here, and there were always cows in there. So stay with me in this video. I'm going to show you where Staines Moor is and what we can actually find in there. And as you can see, it's quite windy. My fringe is completely gone. I can't even see my fringy. So usually the water is like quite high in here, but now we're just walking through these. And another interesting thing, they curved this bench out of willow tree over here. All right, everyone, just look at the sun.
Nice day for once.
Yeah, well, literally in the UK, especially where we're living, we didn't have any chances recently to have much more of a sun. So as you can see, today is like our best day after a while. It's been like forever we didn't have such a day.
Big swarm of flies above your head.
Yeah. Which way are we going?
Go.
Ooh.
Let's go to the hilltop. Right on top of that hill, which I showed you over here, we're just standing here. There are like lots and lots of flies, maybe like millions of flies over here, and just look at the view.
heron. Okay, so we finished our walk and we're heading back to our car. I think my gimbal has already run out of battery, so that's why I had to just take it with my phone. And I hope you liked this video. If you did, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching this video. Bye.
Ciao.